Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to create a box around text in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, create a new layer, select text, write anything, text color black, click, write this text and resize text, hold shift and create a new layer. Select right click, use a rectangle tool or rounded rectangle tool. First apply rectangle tool, do not use fill or use fill as you wish. I do not use fill. Stroke color black and stroke size solid line, then hold then click and drag on your mouse and stroke size, hold control, select text, align middle. Okay, press Ctrl Z and use rounded. Add this, create, right click, use rounded, use 14px, do not use fill. Hold control, select, align middle. That's it. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.